In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut for any website on your Chrome homepage, making access to your favorite sites just a click away. This task is incredibly handy if there's a particular site you visit frequently and want quick access to. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, begin by navigating to the website for which you'd like to create a shortcut. You can open Chrome and type in the URL if you know it, or simply search and click through to it. For example, let's say you're aiming to create a shortcut for YouTube. Head over to YouTube and let the page load fully to confirm you're on the right site. Next, once you have the correct site open, move up to the address bar at the very top of your browser. Here, you'll see the current URL of the website displayed. You'll need to highlight this entire URL. Don't worry, it's easy. Just click on it once, and it should automatically highlight. Now, we're going to copy this URL. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or for those of you who prefer shortcuts, simply hit Ctrl and C on your keyboard at the same time. Nice and simple. Now that we've got the URL saved to our clipboard, the next step is to prepare our space on the Chrome homepage. Open a new tab by clicking on the plus sign at the top of your browser window, right next to your current tab. This new tab is essentially your Chrome homepage, a clean slate, so to speak. With the homepage open, you should notice a plus sign labeled Add Shortcut prominently displayed somewhere on the page. Go ahead and click this plus sign. This action opens a small window where we'll customize our shortcut. It's here that we bring your shortcut to life. You'll see two fields in this window, Name and URL. In the Name field, you'll want to enter a descriptive title for your shortcut. This could be as simple as the name of the site. In our YouTube example, we would just type YouTube. This name is what you'll see on your Chrome homepage under the shortcut icon, so make sure it's something identifiable. Next, in the URL field, click and paste the URL you copied earlier. You can do this by right-clicking in the field and selecting Paste, or use the shortcut Ctrl and V. After you've pasted the URL, just double-check everything looks correct and click Done. And just like that, the shortcut is created. When you return to your Chrome homepage, you'll now see your new shortcut icon, ready and waiting, complete with the name you gave it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a handy shortcut to your favorite site on Chrome's homepage, bringing you one step closer to navigating the web faster and more efficiently. Keep repeating these steps for other websites to build a homepage that serves you best. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!